Nobody wait there. Nobody wait there. Where we go message?
No. Can't even contact them or another. I don't even have their contact. I don't even know that this place is as big as this. This is a community. Oh my God. Igbo.
That video you are seeing happened in AZ community in Anyoma land. AZ community is an Ezechime community. Fulani herdsmen occupied that land for many years. The question I'm asking is, how come did Fulani occupy your forest? Fulani built a camp in your forest, and AZ people are saying that they don't know how Fulani people occupied their forest. The Obi of AZ said that he did not give Fulani people permission to occupy their forest. They asked him whether Fulani people give him money to occupy that place. He said no. The Iyase of AZ is the prime minister of AZ kingdom. He said that he did not collect any money from Fulani people to occupy their forests. I'm asking, Iyase of AZ, your position, Iyase, means you are the chief command of anything traditional police, traditional army and all that. That is the duty of Iyase. Why be say for your community, Fulani people occupy that kind of place for your forest? They don't live for them for so many years. Look at the environment, very clean. Before person go treat environment, read say the frontage na just sand, grass not inside, show say you don't take where they do for that place. You don't have the knowledge of your forest. You don't know people that are in your forest. Normally, community they get camp where we say farmers who come from different places. They go they live inside that camp. They farm. Those people they live for that camp. They go take order from the traditional ruler of that community. He go give them that land to live. Give them where they go they do their farm. Every year they go they pay. All these places where we say film actors they go act film. All those places na camp where they inside communities. So I'm asking, Iyase of AZ, you dey AZ, Fulani occupy your forest, and you are saying that you don't know about it. How Fulani go just come occupy on a forest like that? Una not know. At least Fulani people, they're not they kill AZ people. Make we talk say, okay, oh, Fulani people are killing AZ people. They are slaughtering AZ people. And for that, AZ people can no longer enter their bush. And because of that, Fulani people now made a camp there. If not that one, we go say, but this one, there is no war, there is no killing. Yet, Fulani people occupied your forest. It's either he get person for that AZ where Fulani people give money to occupy that land, but that person no one talk am. Or Fulani people just occupied that place by themselves without taking order from anybody to stay there. These two things now be waiting happen. It dey very bad say you people are not guarding your forest. Even as una dey hear say Fulani dey occupy everywhere. Oh, Fulani now that they cause insecurity, oh, that they kidnap people, that they do this. Yet AZ people not fit protect their forest. They not fit protect their community. Just imagine if no be say people can't discover that place now. Now so Fulani go to that place 50 years. More time they go start to say, this place is our land. We have lived here for 50 years. Now what did happen be that every community in Anyoma land and all over Igbo land should take note of this video. This kind of thing, if it happen for other places, but some of our Igbo brothers, they not go know. Every Igbo community should enter their forest and know what is happening there. Now so una go there for house, Fulani don occupy when a bush finish. All those AZ area now, so you go dey see how Fulani they roam about everywhere. AZ people just dey una know they observe wetin dey happen for the country to know say una go dey guide una forest. As I dey talk now, some AZ people go start to dey talk say wetin concern you for AZ matter. See as you dey talk to our king, see as you dey talk to our Iyase. If you call them Ozwai now, they go talk say you too dey call people Ozwai. Your king talk say he not know how Fulani take occupy that place. Iyase they talk the same thing. That one show say Ezi community just dey open, they don't have a protector. E dey very bad. You dey your community, person occupy your forest, dey there for years, you don't know. If they kidnap person for all those express for Ezi side, kidnap people for inside Ezi now so Fulani go carry those people enter that their camp. They demand for ransom. Ezi people not go know. They go dey think say these kidnappers, they don't kidnap the person, they go for another community go hide. They don't know say their person where they kidnap dey for that their Ezi community inside their bush. They don't know. Some communities for this Anyama land, they don't build relationship with Fulani people. Every say Fulani get camp inside their community. This era where we dey now, you are not expected to trust any Fulani herdsman. All these Fulani herdsmen where they see, all of them are the same. You don't ever see Fulani herdsmen, all this one who they see where they roam about with cow. Go tell police people say, you see Fulani people where carry AK-47 inside bush, they're not go try them. All these Fulani herdsmen where they carry cow, they see all those Fulani terrorists, their brothers, they're not go talk. And that is because they don't share work. The ones where go carry cow, they roam about like peaceful herders day. The ones where they go kill people, they kidnap people day. So these people that they work hand in hand. All these Fulani herdsmen where they see, they feel say they don't know anything. They know something. But as I talk now, some of our people they talk say, hey, you don't know what they talk. This, that. This video really pay me well because I not see reason why I be say you dey your community, you know they observe your environment. You know they observe your forests. Every community should have forest guards. Make una get forest guards so I be say, una go dey pay them, they go dey watch over una forests. Be vigilant, be observing your community, observe your forests. Make Fulani no come occupy una forest without una notice. And Anyama people no go fit come out in unity talk say, we don't want cow in Anyama land again. We don't want cow in our forest. Any Fulani person that wants to build a house, a home for his cattle should rent a land closer to the community. Make I dey see am. Make he dey buy cow feed. They feed him cows. That is what Anyama people are supposed to be doing. But if Fulani people not agree, they should leave our land. May they carry their cow, go back to northern Nigeria where they came from. But instead, if you come Anyama land now, you go see Fulani, they roam about our bushes. So you people are telling me that Fulani people go just load cow for their trailer from northern Nigeria, come our land here for Anyama, release their cow, they roam about inside bush. Any place where they see, they go build house for that place, come they live for that place. And we Anyama people, we just dey like say nothing dey happen. Some places for Southeast, you no go see cow for that place. They don't put a ban on cow meat. They don't want to take I see Fulani herdsmen again. They don't tell Fulani people say, carry your cow and leave this our territory. If you go that place today, you not go see Fulani herdsmen. As they don't pursue them from that place, now Anyama land and Fulani people can't stay. And you go not surprise say, no be only Ezi, these Fulani people do this their camp. They get other places for Anyama land where they do their camp. This thing will happen for Ezi now. Other Anyama people should learn from it. All those in Nsukka Junction, like say they go Kwale. Now so Fulani people and their cow food that place. All the time you go they see Fulani people and their cow, they roam about for that place. Small time now we go start to the hear of kidnapping for that road. Fulani not be people where be say they go they live with you for your neighborhood, they go they live for your forest. Chase those people away. Remove Fulani from our forests. As we dey talk now, e get people for this Anyama land where be say they still dey collect money from Fulani to keep Fulani people for our forests. If you come Oshimiri North, now so all our bush now Fulani people and their cow. Fulani people and their cow, they don't put lead inside our bush. You go there inside bush, inside forest like this. Now so cow go dey roam about for there. Are the traditional rulers of those communities in Oshimiri North going to say that they don't know that Fulani people are roaming about in their forests? I not just want to call the name of those traditional rulers, but they know themselves. They know themselves. The other day, Fulani herdsmen tried to kidnap some youths in Oshimiri North. Some of those youths escaped, and they said that it's Fulani people that tried to kidnap them, but they ran away. The video is on the internet. This thing what they talk, so it happened for Oshimiri North, for this Anioma land. All over the bush for Oshimiri North. Now so Fulani cow they roam about for everywhere. Are those communities going to say that they are not hearing about the insecurity that Fulani people are causing in this country? We not be Igbo people, we are Nema people. We not be Igbo people. The Fulani will make you, they deny your Igbo identity. They still they kill you. They carry cow, they occupy your forests. The agenda of Fulani that made you to start deny your Igbo identity is to take over your land. That community easy, anything Igbo not they sweet them. Igbo people in that community. Now so you go see Ezi people they talk say, Ndi Igbo menke, Ndi Igbo menke, Ndi Igbo menke. All the time, Ndi Igbo jimenke, Ndi Igbo jimenke. Ife Ndi Igbo adi aso no. Eze chimen na ono bụ onye Igbo. South East ka Eze chimen si wee bunyiri je Bini, si Bini gbachite. Yet ife Ndi Igbo adi aso ndị Ezi. Oge ọbụla Ndi Igbo jimenke, Ndi Igbo jimenke. Nani Fulani ejega n'alụ n'obodo unu amaghọ. Ife la dị eme unu ndị Ezi. Ife la dị eme unu. Ezi people, cover your face in shame. I have heard so many stories about Ezi people. They are not like Igbo people. Yet, Ezi people themselves, na Igbo people they be. Ezi was founded by the daughter of Ezechime. Ezechime will be Igbo man. Yet, if ndị Igbo wan unu ana iwe unu iwe, ahụ na agbakasị ọnụ. Our Igbo brothers from South is where they found for Ezi all the time. Now so Ezi people, they call them out. Ndị Igbo jimenke, Ndị Igbo jimenke, Ndị Igbo jimenke. Ife Ndị Igbo adi aso ọnụ. People say they come do farm work to earn a living. Una not like them. Fulani where come from Senegal, Mali, Lake Chad. They come from that place. Enter on a community for Ezi. Una not know. Una only get strength to the drag on Igbo brothers for Southeast. Ndị Igbo menke, Ndị Igbo menke. Fulani ejega n'alụ n'obodo. Ife la dị eme unu. Ishi egwale.